Welcome and good evening. I'm Eman Ferdal Cotamora from VSMT1 Dubai. Welcome to this video on the ship stability equilibriums. We'll explore the three types of equilibriums and their importance for safe ship operation. Number 1 is stability nomenclature. Let's start with some key stability terms. Center of gravity, which is G, the point where the ship's weight acts. Center of buoyancy, which is B, the point where the buoyancy force acts. Metacenter, M, the point where the buoyancy force acts when the ship is heeled. Metacentric height, the GM, the distance between G, center of gravity, and M, metacenter. Stable equilibrium. Number 1. A stable equilibrium occurs when the metacentric height is positive. The ship will right itself when heeled. Number 2. The unstable equilibrium. An unstable equilibrium occurs when the metacentric height is negative. The ship will capsize when heeled. Number 3. The neutral equilibrium. A neutral equilibrium occurs when the metacentric height is 0. The ship will remain in its heeled position. Again, the three types of equilibrium. The three types of stability equilibrium. 1 is stability nomenclature. Number 2 is unstable equilibrium. Number 3, neutral equilibrium. 1 is stable equilibrium. 2 is unstable equilibrium. 3 is neutral equilibrium. Maintaining positive stability is crucial for safe operation. A positive metacentric height ensures the ship can right itself in rough seas. Remember, stability is key to preventing accident and ensuring the safety of crew, cargo, and the environment. And in conclusion, understanding the three types of ship stability equilibriums is vital for the safety of ship operation. By appreciating the critical importance of positive stability, we can ensure a safer seas for all. And that is all for this video, and thank you.